to say? I'm going to be playing the melody on the, mostly on the E string, beginning with D, the D chord. Who's to say what's impossible, but they forget. This world keeps spinning with each new day. I can feel a change in everything, and as the surface breaks, reflections fade. But in some ways they remain the same. As my mind begins to spread its wings, there's no stopping curiosity. Just back and forth between D and E minor rather. I want to turn this whole world upside down. Here we go to a G suspended second. I'm playing the G chord, but I'm playing that A note. I'll find the things they say just can't be found. Do that again, G. I'll share this love I find. That's the A chord. With everyone, we'll sing and dance to Mother Nature's songs. I don't want this feeling to go away. Back to D, E minor, and then A, and then back to E minor, and then F sharp minor, and then G. Back to A, and then it goes to the second verse. Who's to say I can't do everything, but I can try. And as I roll along, I begin to find things aren't always just what they seem. I want to turn this whole thing upside down. I find the things they say just can't be found. I share this love I find with everyone. We'll sing and dance to Mother Nature's song. I don't want this feeling to go away. This world, it keeps spinning, and there's no F sharp minor hiding place. Well, it's all just keep spinning round and round and round and upside down. Who's to say what's impossible can't be found? I don't want this feeling to go away. That's the bar, A major on the bar, E minor, F sharp minor. Oh, time to waste. Just please don't go away. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, just message me and I'll try to answer them. I played that in the key of D. Thanks. Bye.